Guys, welcome to my channel Abhijit Crazy Shots. In this video I'm going to talk about Novak Djokovic's style of play. So let's jump into it. Return of serve. Novak Djokovic is probably one of the best, if not the greatest, returner of serve of all time. He uses his flexibility, core strength, and ball tracking capability to make a deep return when the ball bounces close to the baseline of the fast first serve. As during the serving motion, the human body tends to jump forward, hence getting a deep return makes it super hard for players as the body needs adjustment in order to return a great return of serve. In case of the second serve, players usually play it safe by hitting a kick serve or swinging serve, and Novak takes those serves very early with an attacking mindset and either tries to keep the ball in play or make a deep down the line or cross court return, which helps him win multiple breakpoints in his illustrious career. Movement. This is the rated but most important skill in Novak's arsenal. He is so quick in anticipating the ball's trajectory that he positions his body in a split second to hit a great backhand or forehand. Due to his agility, he comes close to wide balls and can hit a great cross-court or down-the-line shot. Also, the art of chasing wide balls fully depends on the anticipation as well as positioning the body accordingly. Hence, his movement makes him a special breed of player. Forehand. He is not one of the who was the best forehand in the game, but in the beginning of his career, his forehand was also a great weapon, which made him the most complete player of all time. However, nowadays, many players are targeting his forehand not because it is weak, but because his backhand is dominant over the forehand, which is surprising for a right-handed tennis player. On the open era, Novak has one of the most consistent backhand of all time. Many of them think that he's best double-hand backhander of all time, but I think Agassi, Safin, Nalbandyan also have a great backhand, but they are not as successful as Novak Djokovic. I have to appreciate his mental strength because I have seen so many matches on him live when he was down at a certain point and comes back. Example of this is the 2020 Italian Open where Djokovic vs Schwartzman. He was down 3-0 in the first set and came back winning the set 7-5. Strength and weakness. Novak Djokovic recently said, "My greatest weakness and my greatest strength at the same time is my ability or inability to comprehend things on a deeper level. To be more concrete, I feel I am at the best when I understand that the power comes from within and whatever is happening outside, I can solve it inside." That's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Do comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.